These are just a bunch of wrappers wrapped into one wrapper. Jason, come here. Hi, baby. Come sit right there. Look, there's only one left. You want it? Guys, only one left. Ooh.
They're all gone.
Yeah, they're all gone. I saved you one. Here, sit right here and eat it. Oh, you got a cute butt.
The pushing big sheet.
Go ahead, eat your chocolate. What do you say to Mommy?
Thank you, Mommy.
Do you say thank you, Mama?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Welcome. The push it.
Go ahead, keep opening it.
No, the push it. Yo, this is yucky.
It's yucky.
Look,
What?
yucky.
I don't know.
Take it off. Open it.
Go ahead, open it.
Open it. I'm gonna open it.
Jason,
What?
aren't you gonna eat the chocolate?
Oh gosh. It's empty.
It's empty. What's the matter?
Open.
Then open it.
Open.
Go ahead. Keep opening it. What happened? What happened? Where's the chocolate?
The uncle is empty.
It's empty? Are you mad?
No, I'm not mad.
You're not mad? Are you sad?
No, I'm not sad.
You have a big booger. Ew! I was just kidding. Let's show everybody I'm not mean. Look, here's your real chocolate.
Okay.
Yes, I promise. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Go wipe your nose.